A beautiful start to a Monday. I've got a CyberTruck here and a Performance Model 3. I've never actually wrapped a Highland Model 3, let alone a Performance. I've wrapped many CyberTrucks, but this is a cool one. This is a very special one that I haven't seen before. So this is the new 20-inch hubcaps that go on the new all-season tires. This is not what we've seen before, and that's the hubcap that comes with that. Also up front here, this is the first time seeing the gray interior. This is a lot darker than what I thought it was going to be. Online it looks a little bit lighter, but in here it looks a little darker, and I like that. This is an all-wheel drive. This person drove out from Maryland to have me wrap the car. We're doing matte black, we're doing ceramic coating, we're doing window tint, we're doing PPF on the front over top of the vinyl. So yes, he's getting the works on this thing because this is a workhorse. It's got a lot of horses already, horsepower, so we're going to do everything to this one. Check out my new lights. I just got these installed yesterday with the new floors all finished. There's still a lot to do, of course, but I have to put these up higher, level them out a little bit, attach them a little bit more. All I did was make a 2x4 frame. I wish I'd have painted that before I put that up, but I was running out of time because I just put those up yesterday, and today we're getting these two done, or this week we're getting these two done. Light gray epoxy floor, looks amazing. I'm super pumped. This is turning out great. It's turning out the way I thought. But again, it's been a hectic weekend. They say, you know, quit your day job so you can work when you want to, but apparently when you want to is like all the time and for free on Sundays in the evenings, and it's fun. This week are these two. I got a Model X showing up Friday. He hasn't decided on a color yet. We're going to decide then. He's dropping the Model X off then, and then I'll have it for a while. But yeah, if you're interested in me wrapping your vehicle, my information is down below. I know Teslas. I specialize in Teslas, but I can wrap anything, because if you can wrap a Tesla, you can pretty much wrap anything. I'm going to disassemble this because this gets done faster. I have this one for most of the week, so I'm going to get this one done since they did drive from Maryland. I'm going to get this one done so they can get out of here. It should be 3 days or so. Window tint guy's coming tomorrow. Let's get to it. The CyberTruck is almost finished. The window tint guys just left here. We tinted this window and the windshield. 80% on the windshield and then 35 on the sides. So the car is fully wrapped. Everything is matte black, which is awesome. I still have to put the trim on, ceramic coat it, and also PPF the front two pieces. I'm going to do those first thing in the morning. Then ceramic coat it, park it outside, let it bake in the sun, and they're picking it up around 3 o'clock tomorrow, so they're good with that. Baking it in the sun is just going to allow everything to settle, let the glue activate. It's going to dry the window tint, the water that's still in the window tint, and also in the paint protection film, and then they'll be good to go. We'll wipe it down a little bit, again, put everything back together. They'll be out the door, getting back to Maryland.
Looks amazing.
Looks really amazing.
Wow.
Looks very sinister, especially with the not white interior. I like the dark gray interior. I would definitely get the dark gray interior than the white. It looks so much better, I think.
Yeah, we're glad we waited because that option only came available. What was it, within the last
month or so, right?
two that
It's
it started coming available.
Is that with these wheels too?
Yes, you can choose between those or the...
Oh, you still can get the other wheels too.
That's
okay.
my understanding. Yep, this was an option to get those the 20-inch core with the 35-inch
yeah,
tire.
more range out of it.
Yep.
I don't know if you plan on doing off-roading in Maryland. But
Yeah, maybe not too much, but you never know, right?
Never know.
The cooler, is that in the front?
the cooler's up here. Yep.
Will I be able to open that from the
Yeah.
app?
Yep.
All right. Let's have a look at that.
Right.
That's one of the most exciting things too. The surprise wrapped.
He was
This-
gonna ask, and then he didn't ask, and then you just
No,
you just
I
picked up on
saw it and I was like, that should be matte black as well.
that is awesome.
Sure. It's
So
like
good.
Darth Vader's sarcophagus.
There's stainless steel on the back. I didn't do that, but
It's
Yeah.
in there. It looks so cool.
It does.
you can take that out and show people what the car should look like underneath, or what Tesla thinks it should.
That's right.
Although many people see it that color, that's why everyone's wanting them wrapped.
It's like the Batmobile.
Yes, it is.
I was looking- There it is. Okay.
Yep.
I feel it's got it raised.
Oh yeah.
That's very
It
cool.
That's
looks
very
like it's
cool.
pressed in,
Yeah.
which is really cool because you can't do that with this metal.
Okay.
It's so strong, but it just pops out a little bit. And
That's cool.
So any do's and don'ts with regard to care for the car?
you can use a pressure washer, but stay at least 2 feet away.
Okay.
I like to back down the pressure washers, but if you have electric pressure washer and it says 2,000 psi, you're not getting 2,000. It's already going to be less. The ceramic coating is going to keep things from sticking anyway, but I pressure wash my cars. If you go through a car wash, I don't recommend going through those brushes because you're just taking the dirt from the car before you and just
Applying it.
scratching the
Yeah.
crap out of it.
Yeah.
Although this has self-healing properties, if you do go through one of those, you just park it in the sun and it'll heal itself.
Okay.
So that's a really good thing.
And then you said you did the PPF in addition to the wrap. So,
Yes.
but the PPF only where?
On the front, the
So
front
just-
2 pieces.
Just
Just these 2 pieces here.
that.
That's all that hits forward.
Okay.
So there's a little bit of water still in there, and that'll escape over when it's out in the sun and on your drive home.
Okay.
But these are the only 2 forward-facing pieces, and you can really feel the ceramic coating on there. Feel how slick that is.
Oh wow, yeah.
It's hot too, so
Yeah.
this is going to trap a lot of heat.
More impressive than we imagined.
I was gonna just say that.
Yeah.
Better than
Yeah.
I pictured.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I got my blue one. There's another white one. He scratched one of the doors, so I got to
Oh,
do
you're
that
doing
one.
a repair on
Yep.
that. Okay.
Um,
And that's yours?
yeah, that one's mine.
Did you do the horse on the back of that?
Yeah,
As
he's got a horse farm not far from here, so
Okay.
he wanted, that's his logos. Really
That
cool
looks
logo.
cool.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
almost yin and yang
Yeah,
with the
it's
horses.
really
It's really cool. Yeah, first Tesla. He got,
yeah?
He got a Cyber Beast for the first
First
Tesla.
one.
Yeah.
That's an initiation, right?
Yeah,
Go
exactly.
big or go home.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, he's used to horsepower, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
But thank you for driving all this way.
Yeah.
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 And, a lot of people want to ask why you would drive this far.
Because in certainly in Frederick, there was not in Maryland. There was not any shops that I saw that were either had experience or were reputable or there just weren't any available.
Yeah.
I looked at a place in Michigan. But
Oh,
that was a lot longer of a drive.
Yeah.
And then also getting the feedback from you about not having the requirement of doing the entire vehicle PPF.
Yeah.
That tends to be what is sold to people.
Yes.
You got to do a PPF everywhere. And
Yeah.
when I looked at your video on that, it was clear you didn't.
Yeah.
And it's a less expensive and seems to be overkill to do the PPF.
It is definitely overkill,
Yeah.
I think, personally, for the vehicle, and a lot of people are getting talked into it. And I think it's twice the money, first of all.
Yep.
You might get a little more gloss if you're looking for the gloss. Obviously, you weren't looking for gloss, but it's not needed. There's no paint. So
Yep.
why use paint protection film? So that's what I think on it. But
Yeah, and then fundamentally, just you sold yourself with your videos. So you
Well, thank
really
you.
demonstrate. You're very adept at what you do. You've done a lot of the vehicles. I know you just passed the 100 mark
yes,
not too long ago with
Yeah.
100th Tesla.
yeah, I think this
you've
is
done-
number 111 maybe already.
Yeah.
So,
So yeah, you cut your teeth on
Yeah.
all of them. So we
Yeah.
figured, it's worth it. Let's go take a trip.
I appreciate it. I
Yep,
appreciate
Brian, thank
trusting
you.
me.
It's been a
Yes.
pleasure meeting
Thank you.
And
Thank you very
wish
much.
you
Nice
too.
to meet
wish
you
you the
too.
best luck with all your
Thank you.
endeavors with the
Yes.
business. I hope everything goes really well for you.
Thank you very much.
So yeah,
Thank you.
yep. Take care and thank you very much.
I will.
We're gonna really enjoy it.
very
All right.
yes.
Take care, Brian.
Bye. Does look awesome. It's a new angle. That thing does look good in black. Definitely look good in black. Looks good in white too.
Bye.